Hello guys and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video I would like to show you my new hole cutter for cutting holes in the drywall so you could install skylights like this. It's very quick and easy. Take a look. So anyways, this is my Milwaukee hole cutter. It cuts holes between 2 and 7 inches. It has a tray that's built in, and all you have to do is use your current drill that you have and it's going to work with it. Let me show you actually how to set this. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and set it up. At first you're gonna need to remove this piece of paper, and then of course this is what a tray kind of looks like. The very next thing you need to figure out is where to put this plastic thing. At this point I still don't actually know where to put it. I'm looking at my instructions, I'm thinking, where does it go? Does it go here or does it go on the inside? So it's kind of a little bit tricky. And then I'm looking at these things and I'm like, okay, this is a tool-free type of adjustment tool. How do you actually adjust it? But anyways, I'm gonna figure these things out really quickly, and I'm thinking, okay, so this kind of makes sense. So the plastic piece must be actually holding the actual drill piece together. So I'm thinking, does it go here? Does it go in the back? But this piece actually has like a spring action. As you actually drilling, it compresses and stuff like that, and then you could actually pull your drill out. So this is my first time. Nobody ever showed me how to set this thing up, but it goes actually right here. There's actually a couple tabs you get to press in, and once you actually install it, you could clearly see it goes in perfectly and pushes down and up. So now all we have to do is actually insert this piece. Before inserting your hole cutter inside of this tray here, first you're gonna need to actually adjust the blades. So let me actually show you how this is done. In order to adjust the blades, you're actually gonna need to remove the drill portion, and then once you actually remove the drill portion, it's actually going to be pretty easy to adjust it. So you just have to pull this little tab back, and then it releases the actual drill, and then pull the drill out. This is actually the way you install it back. So this is actually pretty easy little task. Once you pull these things out, the actual drill portion and the bottom piece that holds the drill bit together, you could actually slide these things back and forth, and it has actually the measurements for what kind of skylight you're gonna need, whether it's a 3, 4, 5, up to 7 basically. Actually as little as 2. So this is how you actually pull these things out, and then you're gonna quickly realize these things actually slide pretty easy. Make sure not to cut yourself on the blade, because these things are razor sharp, believe me when I tell you. Now I did not actually cut myself at all, or did not even catch myself in any way. I was actually being very careful, but these things are sharp. I mean, they are designed to cut drywall, but will cut you pretty easy as well. So anyways, I actually adjusted the drill bit to the desired size. At this point I believe it's a 5, and I actually have some 5s and some 4s to cut for the skylight installation, because I have 2 different type of skylights. So you could see that once you actually install everything, just kind of hold it into place and install your drill right on it. So once you actually set it up, make sure the drill is going to be in the actual drill mode, and I actually put it on the fastest setting on the actual drill. You see, there it is. And I'm actually going to twist it to number 13. I'm not sure if it's going to be in the video, but anyways, I did put it to the highest setting, and this is actually me just slightly pressing the trigger, not too much. So now it is time for us to actually cut the hole out, and you just basically just very slowly press on it, and as you can see, it catches all the dust and stuff like that. So it's a pretty clean little process. Just make sure you don't actually dip the tray over, you know, when actually removing it, and then you can actually make a mess. But anyways, I'm kind of trying to make sure that I don't go too far, and there you go. We actually cut it out, just getting stuck a little bit behind the drywall. So now it's actually time for the skylight installation. So this skylight is actually pretty easy to install. It's got these little tabs. You have to like insert them all the way in, and then it's actually going to be finally installed. And that's how you use the hole cutter for installing your skylights. If this video was helpful to you guys, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time, for watching my videos. Take care and God bless you.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.